In this video, I will show you how to log in Sagicor Bank of Jamaica. So friends, go to Google, search for Sagicor Bank, and then click on the scroll down to see this page, this login page, Sagicor Jamaica. Click this one, friends. Click this bank. After that, when you click this bank, you will see this page, login page. From this one, guys, just write your user ID and write your password. For example, in this case, this is my user ID, and then write your password. After writing your password, click on login. If you want to log in with your app, just click Sagicor Bank app. Download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app on Google Play or App Store, click on login with your user ID and login with your password in Sagicor eBank. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comments.